What's going on, guys? Hilltown here. So today we're going to look at an issue I've had with my truck for a few months now. It's got a service park assist system, say that 10 times fast, service park assist system light illuminated on the dash. So I'm going to try to isolate the bad sensor in the rear bumper cover and hopefully swap that out and get this thing running. So let's get right into this. I'll show you how to isolate those. What I've done is I have the truck in reverse. The key is on, truck is not running, but it's in reverse, and I have several wheels chocked. I tried setting the e-brake. When I set the e-brake, I was unable to test these. For some reason, it disabled the system. So the e-brake is not set, but I do have the wheels chocked and it's in reverse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my microphone up to these sensors while the truck's in reverse, and you're going to hear them. You're going to hear them clicking, and you'll know they're functioning. When I get to the one that isn't, you're not going to hear it click. So we'll isolate the bad one. Sensor number one. Listen to this. Sensor number two. Sensor number three. And sensor number four. You guys know which one is dead? Did you hear that? It's this guy here. Alright, suck in your beer bellies. We're laying under the truck here. This is the bad sensor. So what I'm going to do is just push on the sensor gently from the outside as I gently pry these tabs down and up. See, the sensor just falls right out? Let's go above deck. I'll show you this thing. Alright, so I pulled the sensor out of the bumper, and just to isolate it a little bit further, I wanted to make sure this thing is bad and it's not a wiring issue. I took one of the other functioning sensors and I swapped it with this one, and it worked just fine. So we know this thing is toast. So I called down to my local Chevy dealer, talked to the guy at the parts counter, and he says, don't shoot the messenger, but this thing is $200. And even if I give it to you at my price, it's going to be $165. So after I got done clutching my chest, I politely declined his offer and hung up. So I'm going to buy one online or through a, what do you call it, parts store or something or other. But the issue is this is color painted to match the truck, so whatever I buy online is probably going to be black. But we'll figure something out. I just wanted to show you guys how to isolate these. I don't know if it works on all makes or not, but it does work on this Avalanche. So hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you next time.